right?
Yeah, that's what I meant. I got SIP. Sorry.
Now,
So that's fine.
but you want to take profit when you need it to, you know. Today, I think would be a would be a good day to would be one of those take profit day. You know what I mean? For some reason, I have that feeling. You know, it's like if you get $100, $200, take profit. Then re if you need to re-enter, well, re-enter. You know, but
Yeah, it's not one of them scaling days.
no, no. And if you're wrong, you're wrong. Don't fight for it. You see, Jack.
$48 trade turned into a $26 trade.
Yeah, it's too positive, which is a good thing. You know, it's not bad at all. But it's one of those things. I did a scalp. It's like I'm gonna let it run. I was like 300 something dollars in, and came back and stopped me with $1.12. So I did the same thing that you did, but before, prior to 9 o'clock, and being greedy, you know.
I think I'm going to check out the Federal Reserve website and see what the heck's going on today.
Okay, we're we are holding this downtrend here pretty well, man. We are respecting a lot of this trend. Doyle,
Yeah,
did you break
can you
the
hear me?
rules? Yeah, did you break the rules?
No, this is the same trade.
Ah, okay, good.
Yeah, I didn't get out.
Okay, just checking on you. You know, I keep
Yep,
tabs on you.
got to. see, news and events. Nothing. What the heck?
Nothing. They'd be talking all day long, right?
Well, yeah, the big meeting was last week, and their website kind of acknowledges that. But yeah, they've got their calendar view here. He's talking to. They're all freaking talking today. He's talking again tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.
Hmm.
But it doesn't really say what's so special about today. I'll probably uh, I'll probably listen to it, and I'm kind of curious if this ties to their meeting last week, and this is just more follow on for that, so that we'll know for future
Yeah.
times.
Maybe you can tap to our channel, to our thing.
Yeah, normally these are streamed live on YouTube, and
Yeah.
we can play the YouTube for it. Boy, it does not want to break this freaking daily pivot point, does it?
No. And this trend line too, I even changed to purple because I think we're gonna pay a lot of attention to that today.
I was hoping it would at least hit my second profit target before the market opens. Taking out my first one. Come on, come on, freaking ticks.
Have a huge order right there in 60. If it pushed through it, ready to go. Did it.
Nothing but chom
Yep.
until about 70, which still isn't really too big, I don't think.
Whoa.
That's 40.
Nice. That broke right through it. We're almost in
I'm
the
gonna
daily high.
go ahead and sip at this point. Yep, new highs today.
Yep. And I hope people don't FOMO to get in on this. Is the time.
I'm gonna go ahead and just get my profit targets all right here together. So close to the open. Who knows what's
Yeah.
gonna happen?
Mm. 30 plus order right behind this. We might be searching for the all-time high again today. If not today, this week.
Boy, people keep trying to short this thing. Last time somebody stuck a big order through there, they just munched it right up. Somebody
Yeah,
just stuck a 45 lot on there,
45. Yeah.
and just I think it jumped out of the way. I can't tell. It might have eaten it.
Now it's right above. I've seen a lot of that. People go behind and put it behind to keep pushing down,
Yep.
you know?
Yeah. It's almost like they're trying to scare the algos.
Yeah. They put it right behind and keep push down, keep push down, push down. I followed that a lot. Actually, when I'm on a trade and I seen that getting
And you see that
behind.
happen.
Yeah, behind. I'll I'll take it easy. Like, you know what? Let this play out. Like if I had short and seen this behind, I'll be okay. I'm good. I can wait and hold and sip because I know it has a lot of power pushing down or power pushing up. And we retest the downtrend as I change to purple. It's just a 30 seconds, guys. Uh, Trend, but I think would be important trend. Has been important trend. We are on it for 3 hours. We broke through it. We came back down and retest it. I had taken that retest if was not because of time.
You know you want that 127 before it opens.
Got hit.
Yeah,
Nice.
I will switch over to my opening scalp setup.
Very nice, man. Look at that. And look, right behind.
See,
Look, right behind.
right? That's a big order, 86,
Yeah,
85, something like that.
that's what I'm telling you guys about when these things like this happen and then keep happening, that makes me confident. Like right there, you see it, another one.
Yep. Somebody did it again.
Yeah, so look, got eaten
Oops,
and put
they
more.
did it again.
Yeah, so that makes me not want to short and however, I just thought about it. Do you think maybe that's taking profit? No, could not take profit. If it was take profit, would be shorting,
Um, well,
would be
unless
selling
these
it.
are people who shorted several days ago,
Could be, yeah,
right? I mean, if the only way that would make sense is if they shorted the top
yeah.
and they see it coming after them.
Hey Doyle, what's your opening scalp thingamajig?
Oh, I do 20 points.
Oh, okay, yeah,
I do the 3 lot with 20 points, and I get out at
like 7, I think.
7, and then
Yeah,
roughly 12, and then 20.
gotcha.
And for the
Yeah.
new guys, switch to sim. Make sure you're in sim.
Yeah,
Uh,
I really wouldn't recommend trading the live open until you've done it in sim for about 4 weeks and you've been good at it.
yeah, being
Good at it for four
positive.
weeks, not just done it in sim for 4 weeks.
Yeah, yeah, being positive. Uh,
Because trading the open is largely just momentum trading. There's very few setups. It's largely just watching candles and price action on smaller time frames.
yeah, so suggest you got, but that being said, I suggest you guys to do it for
It's good
practice
practice.
purpose on sim. Make sure you're on sim. Do not forget to change to sim. Do you guys see that I'm saying sim a lot of times? That's for a reason.
Oh, I thought there was a scratch in the record.
Yeah, right? Sim. I'm trying to push inside your head. Sim. Do it on sim. So don't forget about it and do your. Because it happens, believe me. And then you call me, I just made a mess. Like, what happened? I didn't switch to sim. I'll switch to sim now.
I have almost made my daily salary before the market opens today.
Nice.
If I can hold this steady, January is the month that my goal happens.
Cool.
That'll be a pretty big milestone for me. If November and December weren't holiday months, it would definitely happen in December. But I'm planning on Thanksgiving week not really yielding much, and I'm planning on the last 2 weeks of December being kind of quiet, even though the last 2 years they've been kind of decent, except for the couple of days before Christmas.
Yeah. You guys remember that I'm gonna be off, right? The 18th to 25th.
Heading out of town?
Yeah, to Florida, to Orlando.
Oh, Orlando. What's
Disney.
in Orlando?
Disney.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right. That's right. You're going to have a steak at the Port Orleans Resort for me.
Yep, yep, yep.
No, no, no. Yacht and Beach Club. Yacht and Beach Club. That's the
Yeah.
one with the really good steaks.
We're
I was at a Gartner conference that was held
Gardner
at one of
conference.
Disney. Yeah, Gartner. They're a big technology research company,
Okay, I thought
and
gardens. Like what?
yeah,
Like Dewey?
it's Gartner, Gartner.
Okay, Gartner. Okay.
Um, and I was there the week before Thanksgiving, and basically just called my family and said, hey, I'm gonna stay here. Why don't you guys come out for Thanksgiving?
Yeah, nice.
And that was actually a really great freaking week because the days leading up to Thanksgiving, like that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the park is freaking empty, and then relatively empty. And then on Thursday, about midday, it fills up.
Hmm.
But yeah, that those weekdays leading up to Thanksgiving, the park was just we basically had it to ourselves. It felt like that's a good time to be there.
Yeah, those parks are is ridiculous expensive.
You know, I couple of minutes, I can squeeze this story in real quick. We went to Pleasure Island, just me and my wife, and I had to. She's just doing some miscellaneous shopping, and I had to duck out and use the bathroom, and there's this like concert line at the freaking bathroom. And so I go back to the store she was in, and she's not there anymore. It's kind of dark and foggy outside. I step out of the store, look to the left by the bus stop, and I see this person standing there surrounded by bags, and I'm like, well, that's not her. I go into the next store and I come out and I think I hear my name, but it's foggy and I can't see where it's coming from. But I see this person down by the bus stop surrounded by bags. And my wife like never spends freaking money. And then I go into the third store and come out and I'm like, and then I see that shadow waving at me. And I make my way over there and it's her. She spent like 1,700 bucks. And what was crazy was we were leaving. That was Saturday. We're leaving Sunday, and there was nothing open for us to ship. And so we had to buy Disney luggage to put all this stuff in
That's
to
funny.
to take it home.
Jeez.
Yeah, it dropped like another 700 bucks or something like that on Disney luggage.
30 seconds.
All right, turn on my jams, crack my knuckles.
I guess no bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Thanks, man. Cell volume pumped through there.
Damn, Doyle.
I was expecting a little bit of a breakout here. As soon as I saw price starting to move, I clicked and I'm like at the end of this freaking red candle getting in. Possible opening range here. Oof.
Yeah, I'm not touching it. I'm waiting.
Giddy the truck up. Some freaking volatile candles.
No shit.
Balls, Doyle, balls. I saw that come down so close.
Edit. Edit.
I was about to say, my trigger finger was shaking. Do I kill it? Do I kill it? Do I kill it?
Funny.
What
sucks is it got so freaking close to my profit target there too.
Tesla
Yep.
sync on Musk selling it his thing. Just got a notice so you guys know.
Come on, first target hit. Move to SIP. Actually, I'm not going to move to SIP. I'm going to yank that away. Back down to there. Second target's hit. Now, that's still kind of close given the volatility.
Double top here. And I entered in a bad. I could not put a
Sure
sip in
was.
it. I did not see it. I entered long on that. That was a bad choice.
That's right at that right shoulder level too, Doyle, on the 15.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's right
Should
there
have
where
paid
it's,
attention to that. Yeah.
but I mean, I don't know if it means anything. I'm just putting it out there.
Yeah, it could be a right shoulder, or we could end up with a 3 drives out of this bad boy on the
Oh, yeah.
60 minute.
Yep.
On one hand, that's a lot of freaking divergence on the 60 minute. On the other hand, the check engine light is seriously on.
I'm gonna put in sip because that was not a good entrance. But... Oh, nice.
All right, third profit target hit.
You guys
So
see what I'm
open.
doing it?
Had a trade go against me. Had a really good trade go for me. So
Sip.
up another $400 in the open.
Okay, now we're gonna chill out,
Nice.
guys, and see it. Uh, I'm gonna chill out. I'm not gonna enter anything right now. Just waiting to to see it. What is? Let's try the ABCD pattern here. See what would take us. Please putting that on you guys. We are the 127 area. We went to the 141 on a spike, but did not close there. So I'm counting this as 127. Okay, guys. On this ABCD. Nice, Brian. Very cool. Is that your real account or Sim? Okay. Yeah, you can flat then and switch to your real account and wait for the next. You don't need to. Sim accounts or your trade is good. You got it what you need to get out. You don't need to unless you wanna hold, just to see what you need to do to practice the move. That's all. But if you're in sim, you're in profit, and you don't wanna move, and I am standing by for a little bit to make sure that we find a direction here. You know what I need to do? I need to do some manually work. I think today, this afternoon, I'm gonna go there, clean fence and mow the yard and do things like that. I need some manual work. I was telling to, oh, jeez. I was telling Doyle today that I'm feeling like blah, you know. I don't feel even like trade. So I need to put in my, if it was not for you guys, I would not trade today.
Got a case of the Mondays, eh?
Yeah, I guess. So I'm gonna put myself to fucking work like a slave. So show to remind my head that hey, you think you're not doing good? Look at this, right?
Yep. Yeah, it's part of the reason why I got a stand-up desk. I got to break out of that sitting down thing, and
Monotony.
yep.
Yeah, I
And
wanna buy the some to put it in my office too, so I can walk in the winter
oh, a
time.
treadmill.
A treadmill, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a treadmill so I can put it right behind my chair so I can move my chair out of the way. I can see, I can have my keyboard on it and
Yep.
yeah, I'm gonna wait for a little bit. I was going to get in on this break, this blue trend, but glad I didn't. You guys should pay attention more in Doyle's screen than my screen today because I'm not gonna be taking too much trades today. uh, surfer, the 934 is still have the volatility of the open in the market, so it's very difficult to find patterns and look for patterns. We look more as candle and volume action. Uh, I personally look at the candles and how much buy and sell orders are, you know. Uh, so I do not look for patterns at the open. I'm gonna repeat, I do not look for patterns at the open. I look just volume action and how the prices are acting and how the candle is reading, if I can get in and able to put it sip or not, you know. So flag breaks and double shoulder, inverse head and shoulders at the open, everything goes through at the open like the 5 minutes of the open, like 9 to 9:35, 9:38. Once like 9:40, the volume kind of like slowed down, and then we can be looking for patterns again. But until then, and sometimes it'll be even at 10 o'clock, we still have volatility. Um, but will not look for patterns inside of the open 5 to 10 minutes into the open. It's just something to keep in mind. Those patterns can be fakes. That's why I ask you guys to do it on sim, uh, the open, just so you guys can get used to it. The velocity and go against you, go towards you. If you don't take profit, if you take profit, all that counts. Uh, all that counts. And if you guys can, they have uh, if you go to OBS, that's what we use to screen on YouTube. Is I want to say app that you download to your computer that can record everything that you do. Does not use much power on your computer, doesn't do anything. If you guys need it, I'm sure Jack can send you a link, uh, or I can find in here, and you can record yourself on the open, and then you can go back and revisit. Okay. So this way you can see what was your entrance, why did you enter there, why did you exit there, and so forth. You actually can do all day long. Uh, you can uh, you can record yourself all day long, and then if you had a problem, you go back and check it out. That would be a real good idea for you guys to do it. And the end of the day, you don't need to save into your computer or anything, just delete it. And next day, do it again. If you have enough computer, or if you can buy uh, a USB port or something to put it on and save in there in case you want to go back further. I think it's a good idea. It's very easy. I was able to figure it out easy. So if I'm able to figure it out, any of you can. Is anybody in any trade or anything that we need to talk? We need to talk about it or anything? I don't see any trade. I don't see any trades here right now at this second, unless it's scalp. But I suggest not to. We are in the view app right here. We have this big gap right here. We have a gap here, gap here. So something to thinking about it. The Feds are talking. Actually, is going to be talking here soon. So just keep an eye on that. Okay. We can be sideways. This could be our channel. Actually, the 63 points. That's not bad at all. Morning, Robbie.
Hey, good morning. You feeling tired today, you were saying?
Yeah, I'm feeling. I don't know. I'm not feeling a little depressed. I don't know why. I don't know.
Yeah,
Just a little blah.
probably
That's all.
Monday. Yeah, Mondays are pretty bleh.
Yeah. Uh, real time shorty now. I don't know. Check out the 30 seconds as we're going sideways. Momentum is pushing up. Uh, 3 minutes seems like finding like a hook, trying to create a hook. We could come down. It is I don't want to say that's not going to. If you can put in sip, go for it. I guess I'm not I'm not comfortable shorting. Matter of fact, I'm not comfortable going long either. So I'm just waiting to see if we go away from the view app, find a nice support or resistance, and we can short from or go long from there. I just wanted to be patient today and hopefully play out. Hey, real time, right there, ma'am. Good job. Don't let come back towards you, alright? That's why I don't touch the view app because you don't know what the direction is gonna do, but you got it. We went right in on that gap. Do not let the go against you, the trade go against you, okay? Jesus Christ, this workhorse is still going. Uh, 285. Let's check it out. What is 285? Hey, 285 is the S1. Yeah, for sure. That is not crazy to say that. Yeah, S1 is 285-ish, 275 or so. So 10 points give or take. Yeah, I don't see not able to do that. It's possible. And this right here is our channel, year and a half channel trend line. So let's see if we get some respect here. Yeah, I have a high probability trade here as well. Real time, it's a little lower than your 285, but those two trend lines here. This purple trend line here we used all week last week. We stay with it. We went up all week long through this purple trend. So I can see we are coming back to pay some type of respect here for sure. This blue is 10 minutes channel that we had. Yeah, I would not go long on the 285 now, because you're gonna be, yeah, I would not go long on 285. I'll be looking for 75, 60, and 40 to go long. But on 285 is a good point to take profit. You're right. Good strategy. And this zero here, this fib is the lower from this morning, right? No, not from this morning, from the drop. And guys, if you see this here, this gap on NQ is very, very rare that you see this. I see this just a few times as I'm trading. It's very rare that this happen. This gap here. Yeah, I'm hoping that this trend line holds and come down so we can break here. But I'm guessing it's breaking right there. You can get in if you like. 30 seconds is showing that's gonna give a little push up, but I'm not comfortable doing it as right as view app. But I guess Doyle did. He did the break of the trend. Doyle, if you're talking, we cannot hear you. I don't know if you are or not, but That's why I don't like to take trades by the view app. Because they can work, yeah, for sure. Any trade can work, but I'm just not comfortable uh, doing it because we don't have the magnetic pushing us, right? I am gonna wait patience here. Let's see what happens. I can see the dollar is entering trades and everything, but I don't know if he can hear us or maybe he's thinking that he's talking and he's not. I'm just worried that he's thinking that he's talking and he's not.
I don't see his microphone lighting up.
Yeah, me neither.
We started with D-leg, two bearish harmonic.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. That was a nice push. I was not paying
Yeah, this is
attention.
really nice.
Damn it. 3 minutes is turning to the upside, bro. Just could be a hook that break to the downside. Inverse head and shoulder, you mean, surfer? I don't know if that's what you mean. Or the shoulder on the right would be positioned wrong. Inversed, yeah, could be inversed. But again, we are right at a view app, and again, I don't feel comfortable taking trade by the view app, but it is possible. Let me see something here. Guys, I am not doing anything here, okay? We are the view app. I'm waiting to get out of here for me to get on anything. Just so you guys know. That's why I'm quiet. That's why I'm not doing anything. Does anybody has any questions, any concerns, anything? Yeah, right here with the interview app is very difficult. POC now we are writing view app in the POC, so it's very, very difficult to do anything. Is the purple trend breaking it? Let's see if it does a little push or it's gonna keep on going up. Yeah, was 11:30, but I don't know if it's 11:30 Eastern. I think it's Eastern, so it'll be an hour from now. Yeah, guys, I don't know if you speak at 10:30 Eastern or Western. I thought it was 11:30 that Paul speak, but maybe I'm wrong on Eastern time. So that will be an hour from now. But I'll double check in here in a second. Yeah, it's 11:30 Eastern time. But a lot of Feds talking today. Actually, they are talking all day long. 'Retest of the View app. Three minutes is turning to the downside.
Definitely a bit of consolidation in this triangle.
No shit. Uh, Microsoft got to $1 trillion just now.
Oh, nice.
Hmm. I'm assuming no one else hears Doyle.
Huh? No, I
I'm
don't
assuming no.
either. No.
Okay.
I
I see
see
his
him
green thing lighting up.
trading, but I
Yeah, his
don't.
green thing pops on and off here. The circle.
Oh, just concentrating. That's all.
Oh, gotcha. Now I can hear you.
Had to step away a little bit.
Cool. Just checking.
Yeah, I'm about to close this, and maybe I might end up waiting until after the
The
Powell starts talking.
talking, yeah.
What time is he talking again?
It's 10:30, but no one's really nailed the time, either East
It
Coast or Central
is
or.
Yeah, it's
11:30.
yeah 11:30 Eastern.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, never mind.
Okay, I see it. I just didn't read the name correctly.
Ford 5% increase up now. Everybody's so quiet. Nobody say a word. Everybody. I hope everybody listens listening to me and for stay away from this consolidation because we will kill your account. Beside that,
Oh, I meant to ask, does I wonder if that's something to do with the quirkiness every now and when I enter. Like every time I go to enter, the lady's voice uh, repeats every single time. Does that happen to anyone else?
no, I don't have her voice. I got it out. I took her voice out.
So I'm still trying to wondering if I got like a glitch or something. Because every time I press order, it's like order. It like
Yeah, are you enter more than
breaks up.
one? You know, that's what she might do is repeat because
Right.
if you enter like three, she's gonna say order, order, order field. You know.
No, I just tried it right there. Just one contract. It goes order filled.
Ah, okay. Huh. I hope you're trying to
Yeah.
sing.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay. uh,
Right.
let me see. Uh,
Nope. That's
the
funny.
let's see. Talking
Yeah, I'm
about let
gonna
me see. Now this
look
cannot
in that a little
be.
more.
So went back up, so that will break the B point. Uh, and remember, before Paul talk, if we are going down, we will retrace everything back up. Just keep that in mind. This could be a flag or just a retest uh, of the trend. Let's see which way it's gonna go.
Definitely looks like a flag to me, anyways.
Yeah, but look, the 30 the 3 minutes is pushed down bad, but the 30
Yeah,
seconds has a good momentum now to the
I see that.
upside.
Yeah.
At least like the view app area, you know.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, yeah. I like that, man. Yeah,
Uh,
that would be the B
nothing.
point of that bullish harmonic right there at the end.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So That's what seems like to me is going to happen. That's my what, Greg? 2 cents today?
2 cents. Yep.
Yes,
The
two
sounds of
cents.
it's 2 cents today. With you not 100%. Yeah, it's 2 cents, buddy.
2 cents. I agree. Agreeable.
Maybe a skosh above.
Skosh. Oh man, my wife said that again another day. Skosh. I was like, what did you just say?
Nice. Nice.
It's like just a skosh. I'm like, can you fucking measure me a skosh? Give me a skosh of bread. You know?
Mm.
Uh, and it's like,
There's the B point.
yeah, that's the B point. Seems like it's going to bust through it, maybe. Let's see. And what could be doing is the neck in here, and then do the shoulder. If comes back to do the shoulder here, I might get in here. And somebody can ask me, but why you don't enter here then? Because I want to make sure the pattern is formed before I got in. No, nice push. Nice push.
If he started at 10:30, it did recover everything. 10:30.
It's 11. Somebody's talking, but
Okay, but
I
but
think
he
the
doesn't
call
specifically speak.
into 11. That's what they is saying on the website, but could be,
Uh,
um, you know, something could change since we posted. Man. Oh, let me put in this trend here. Oh yeah. This break of this trend is not the perfect place, but you guys know how I like trends break. But again, we could be looking for. Actually, let me start from here. We have double shoulders here. So we could be doing this. So that means we're in this consolidation here. That what shoulders mean.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Oh man, it's been a morning.
Are you having oil issues there too?
No, I'm having vendor issues.
Vendor issues.
I'm ready to make some money.
Paul is gonna be talking here 11:30.
Oh, fuck that guy.
Yeah, right. We're probably seeing here in first head and shoulders on the 30 seconds. This flag is nice. It's a good flag, but I hate that it's right on the view app. Hate it, hate it, hate it. But I think it's gonna play out nicely. I just not comfortable being at the view app. But when we're all the way up here at 400s, I'm gonna tell you, remember that I talked to you guys about this? This is the one of those feelings that's gonna work out. But however, on the side at 3 minutes on the sideways here, check it out. The momentum is going downhill on the 3 minutes. Check that out, the MACD. Let's see if it's gonna break this or not. And I thought it was going to break. Even with the volume going down, I thought it was going to break. I could be doing the right shoulder that we talk about. It's a little off, a little off the way that I like it, but still possible. Everybody's very quiet today. I'm concerned. Is everybody holding down okay? Everybody's okay with everything? Does anybody has any questions? As I told you guys, I'm not going to trade on this damn consolidation. And this will be the first inverse right shoulder, the inside shoulder. I am going to step out for a second. I'll be right back.
Putting up a fight this time.
When's old pal talking?
11:30.
30 minutes.
Gotcha. Man, I really think this flag is gonna play out. I'm just scared to stay in it during all that.
Federal Reserve Governor Randall Corliss to resign next month. Just got that. And we at the POC here now. Is a complete sideways today, huh? Wow.
Yeah, today's brutal.
My boys came from school early. They want to eat. They're here hungry. Make me food. They don't like any. They want to eat salad. Can you see a 13 years old want to eat salad? I can order you Papa John's. I can order you anything you want. No, I want a salad. God dang. I'm waiting for this to break from some direction here so I can go make their salad there.
You could probably go make 10 salads. We'll be in the same place.
Right? I just I just hate to see a spike or something and I miss entering the day, you know? It's weird. If it does not break to the upside now here, I'll go there. I don't know why you guys thinking that's gonna go down. I don't know. I don't know. I have a mixed feeling about it.
Well, let's see. The 120 is down. The 60's hooked down. The 30 is down. 15-minute is down, but the check engine light's on.
Yeah, what
Does
is
the hourly look like a head and shoulder to you?
It does.
The neckline's not perfect, but
Right. Yeah, Greg and I were talking about that this morning.
okay. It
this
could be like
morning
an
was not like
ABCD down.
that. Yeah, this morning was not like that.
Testing the bottom of this flag on the 3 minute.
Yeah. We might get a big spike down and reverse. Let's see.
If you grab the bottom of that flag, you might think about putting your SIP in, maybe, depending on how leery you are of this report in 15 minutes.
I didn't even know what they're talking about in 15 minutes.
I don't know. I seen somewhere that they're gonna start the tapering in 2020. When was that?
2020.
They had
2020,
announced in
2022.
June that they were going to start it this year.
Yeah, I think they revisited that and said 2022.
I'll be right back, guys.
After Powell gets reelected.
This ABCD pattern did not want to play out because this trend line did not want to break. Top Fed officials signal interest rate increases in 2022 are on the table.
Oh, interest rate. Yeah, there's two parts to what they're doing, right? They've got the bond and stock purchase program, the asset purchase. They've said that they will start that part of the tapering this year, and interest rates were deferred in the last couple of talks.
Yeah, it looks like they're saying interest rates might take place in late 2022 or early in 2023.
Well, that's that should be good for the stock market.
That's what I thought.
It's also good for anyone looking for a mortgage.
Or refinance.
Yep. Means interest rates will stay generally low.
Yeah, if you've been living in your house for a while and you haven't refinanced right now, I would highly suggest it. This double bottoms, I might be looking for a long down here with this bullish momentum. Or bullish divergence.
I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
You throw them a head of lettuce and tell them here.
Yep. I broke a bunch of letters. The dressing's here. Now freaking eat. But that is easy to make salad. How do I do salad? I just grab it and break it apart. Okay, show me. Okay, good.
Should throw it at their head.
Yeah.
Trying to make money here. Fuck off.
Exactly. Damn. You guys think this could be a deal leg? Or the shoulder playing out?
Yeah, I was looking at that shoulder. Just didn't have as deep
Yeah,
of a neckline on the right side, but that shoulder seems to be playing out well.
Yeah, the neck is not.
lines up well with the left shoulder,
Mm,
the bottom of it at least.
try this trend break here.
They you guys notice that like when you go against us, it's like 10, 15 points. It's so easy to come by. But wasn't in your favor. 10, 15 points takes so goddamn long.
Yeah,
Yep.
But 10, 15 points, like right there, got it. But when it's in your favor, holy shit.
he likes to just drag.
Yep. do it. You can do it. Just do it.
There's 5 points. There we go.
You said what?
There we
5
go.
points?
Yeah, I'm up 10 points, 11 points now. About to hit my second profit target here.
Good, 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 good.
There we go. There we go. Bag that.
Roger that.
One left running. Okay.
Don't flag me. Come on, bitch.
Just go.
This is the pivot point here too, guys. So that's why we are holding this area for a little bit.
Yeah, there's a pretty big volume gap above too on the 15 minute.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah.
Starts around like 365 ish.
Okay. Okay. Buyers behind here, the way that I like it. So we might be able to break through it. So I told my kid, hey, order something for me. They're gonna deliver to the door, and when you get here, deliver to me. Are you gonna tip me too? That I pick it up from the door and take you off and
Yeah, here's your tip. Don't play
yeah,
leapfrog with a unicorn.
you fucking son of a bitch. Uh, and now,
Should be like, I already paid you. I paid you in lettuce.
yeah, exactly. Showing you how to do it.
You see this nice house you live in? This is
Yeah,
what you get.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, and my youngest, we were in a hotel this weekend, and he asked, Daddy, can I ask you something? I was like, yeah. How rich are we?
It's
It's
none of
like,
your business, kid.
what? It's like, how rich are we? It's like, well, do you have food? He said, yeah. Do you have everything you want? He said, yeah. So I think we're rich enough, don't you think? I think he's realizing that the other kids that played football with him and everything does not have the things that we do. And he's starting to associating his age, so he's trying to figure it out, how it works. But it was funny. He's asking, it's like, well, I think we're rich enough. If you have everything that you want, I think we're good enough.
My youngest, she's 3, and she's noticed that we have the 2-story house on the block. Like the rest of the houses are just 1 story. And she's like, Daddy, we have the biggest house on the whole world. I'm like, no.
Yeah,
Like,
their
yeah,
concepts, right? The
yeah,
things that
exactly.
come up from them. It's like, my goodness.
It's funny to see their little gears turning in their heads sometimes.
Yeah, Yeah.
Wonder if we're gonna flag right here
Yeah, I hope
on
so.
the 3.
Only 30 seconds, probably 1 minute as well, right?
Oh yeah. It's more prevalent on the 30-second. Yeah, I was like a 3 minute. We've only got one candle so far for the 3 minute, but the
Yeah,
30 seconds looks good.
4 minutes to Mr. Paul started talking.
Well, it's about time to close that then.
What the heck? The the dumpster came all the way down here. How the heck they gonna do that?
It's actually the repo guy. He's coming to take your chicken coop.
No, no. Yeah. Don't take my
uh,
chicken coop! Now it's the trash company, but I have a dumpster and they have the normal truck. You know what I mean?
There's the flag. If you are in long from anywhere down there, I would move your
oh,
Okay,
or your
I'll be
sit
right
up to your
back.
flag.
so the Federal Reserve Conference is taking place right now. Is the Gender and Economy Conference.
What?
Yep.
They have a conference about gender.
Well, you can't make this shit up, man.
Awesome.
That's a good way to put it.
Every single day, I think we're in some kind of upside down world, and I further and further believe the whole world ended in 2020. Like, we're just living in some kind of weird simulation. I wish I could hear that. That would be great.
Hear what?
The gender conference.
I'll post the link.
Oh God, I'm so excited.
It should be. It's going to be spectacular.
Honey, come in, listen to this.
I'll play it over the loudspeakers.
Oh my gosh.
Whole office is like, what the fuck?
And I'm back again.
Did you convince them not to take it?
The now the guy back all the way down. I have close to 700 feet driveway. And my driveway all the way in the
Long.
back in here is a big circle, so I could come with my semi with a 48-foot trailer and turn around. And so I just want to let him know that hey, you can come here and turn around. It's like, oh no, I like to back it up. I'm like, all right, sounds
Whatever you
good.
say, weirdo.
Yeah, whatever
You
you want to
like
do.
doing things the hard way? Have at
Yeah,
it.
have at it. I'm just offering to you that we have all this space here, but oh no, no, my it's good. It's good. Hey, sounds good. If you are happy, I'm fucking thrilled.
Oh, I didn't notice we were bouncing off the 161 up here.
161
Hmm.
over what?
This wonky move.
Okay, this be here. This one here, from here to here, or from here to no? It got to be from here to here.
Yeah. Yep.
That's
Yeah.
150, right? Or am I
Uh,
wrong?
I've got 161.
Oh, maybe I'm off. Yeah, we almost touched, right?
Yeah, we
Yep.
got within a couple of ticks of it.
Yep. Okay. I was off a little bit.
Oh my God! So this isn't a gender and economy conference. This is a gender and the economy conference. This is about genders
Gender
in the
inequality
economy.
stuff.
Yeah, like it's how gender is defined in the economy. Like
Oh
For
my
real.
God.
he's like, yeah, he's like talking about how many people like what genders own what homes. Like
For,
what?
for real.
Why? Yes,
And we paid
this
them
conference
that.
is bullshit.
Yeah, your tax dollars are going to this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, what does it matter? You know, like if a gay guy owns a house, that's nice. If a gay guy owns a house, that's not
Good
nice.
as
It's somebody owning a house. Like it doesn't matter.
yeah, no matter who is on.
Yeah, like they're like, just in making those statistics, it drives further divide. I feel like
Oh yeah, for sure.
because then people are going to be like, oh, like if it just happenstance that say lesbian couples own a lower house than gay men couples, then they're going to be like, oh, lesbians are oppressed. Like, no, what?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
there's
yeah.
correlation there. Just happened to be.
People are freaking stupid.
Yeah.
Just
I saw.
dividing. They like to divide.
Correlation does not mean causation.
Right.
Right, exactly.
Yep. Hmm.
I seen something, and I can't remember the exact specifics, but it's something about sheep and planes that had crashed, and there was some kind of correlation there. And they're like, "This, there's no way this makes sense, but it's correlated, so it disproves correlation equals causation." Like, it's dumb.
Very dumb.
How do you know the sheep behind it?
Right? Yeah, sheep
I was
face.
about to say there's this freaking conspiracy where the sheep are ruling the world.
Or are you the Santa sheep part?
We always joke about the
How you doing?
sheeple. They're a thing.
Little do you know, yes, the sheep do rule the world.
I did see a funny meme the other day. It says, "Can we say tranny fluid anymore, or is it gender neutral shift juice?"
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I laughed when I read gender neutral shift juice.
Oh my god. Gender neutral shift juice. Holy fuck.
Yeah. Go figure.